formula. So the slope formula that we're going to be working with is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I kind of remember that this is a slope formula because m represents a slope like mountains, ski slope. So the variable we're going to use is m. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to take two ordered pairs and we're going to label them. x1, y1, x2, y2. This one's x1, y1 because it's the first ordered pair that they gave me. This is x2, y2 because it's the second ordered pair that I was given. Now I'm going to write my formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals, substitution step, my y2 is negative 5. My y1 is 5. My x2 is negative 8 minus my x1, which is negative 4. Now we're going to do add a line, change the sign to the guy behind, or keep, change, change, whichever you use. So keep the first one, change to an addition, and change the sign on the second one. Keep the first one, negative 8, change the sign to addition, and change the sign on the second one. M equals negative 10 over negative 4. M equals a negative divided by a negative, hate to hate, is going to be a positive 5, 2. When we're working with our slope, the number on the top, if it's positive, tells us we're going to go up when we're graphing. And the number on the bottom, if it's positive, tells us we're going to go to the right if we're graphing. What kind of a slope is this? This is a positive slope because my fraction is positive. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, let's see. We probably need to write positive below here. Sorry. All right, let's go to our next one. Number 4. First thing we're going to do is label our ordered pairs. x1, y1, x2, y2. Write our formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals, we're going to do our substitution step, 4 minus 0, and negative 2 minus 10. We're going to keep, change, change, keep, change, change. M equals 4 over negative 12. M equals, when I simplify this, it's going to be 3 over, it's going to be 1 over 3. And love to hate is a negative. Hampton rule, the negative goes in the numerator always. If the top number is negative and we're graphing, it tells us that we're going to go down with the slope. The bottom number is positive. It tells us we're going to go to the right with the slope. This slope is negative. All right, next one. Label our ordered pairs, x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 9 minus 9 over 3 minus 5. Keep, change, change, keep, change, change. M equals 0 over negative 2. All right, So when we have a 0, 0 over anything is 0. So our slope is going to be m equals 0 over negative 2. Hampton rule is we write our negative in the numerator, but of course there is no such thing as a negative 0. So our slope is going to be up 0 to the right 2. This slope is 0. All right. x1, y1 for number 6, x2, y2. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 5 minus 8, negative 7 plus, negative 7 minus negative 7. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. M equals negative 3 over 0. So our slope here, if the negative number is in the numerator, it means that we are going down. And we're going 0 to the right. Now, this is called an undefined slope. And now you know the 4 types of slopes and how to use the slope formula.